Hello, viewer. Welcome to yet another episode of our series of tutorial videos where we learn about using ArchiCAD 23 to design various construction components. And in this tutorial video, I wish to welcome you on board even as we begin the design of household components and other special amenities in a house. So, as we promised in our last episode, today we are going to look at a small component of interior design where we'll be putting in place various aspects such as furniture, plumbing elements, and other uh, facilities that are present in any household facility. So to begin with, we'll first uh, go to the window tool where we'll go straight to the object section, then we'll click on it, and apparently we can open it to look at the various components that we might want to have in place. So the first thing I'll look at our file, check on the components like furniture. So in that case, I'll click on that, then I'll begin my selection process. And I will wish to say that in this case, each and every selection is based on your preference. So that means that in most cases, I'll be going for a choice of my own, but I know most designers have their different tastes and preference. So for that matter, I'll begin my work. I'll go to the object tool where I'll select the kind of chairs that I wish to have in place. So in this case, I'll have various chairs here, and I can decide and pick on one that suits a hotel facility for that matter. So in this case, I'll just pick designer chair 1. Then after clicking on it, I'll come here. So in this designer chair section, I'll probably look at any form of modification that I will wish to have in place. So I can change the dimensions mostly just to suit this kind of setting that I have. So I'll here have change my dimension, that is the width by say 700. Then the height, I'll have it as 700 also. Then I can click OK. Then I'll have my chair there. So what I usually advise is that once you install such equipment in place, you can also view it in 3D just to see how it looks like. So that will inform me that I really need to do something on its size. So I can go back to my tool again and make further modifications. So in this case, I can confidently have my width as twice that. So let me work with 1500. I can also come here and have that as 1500. Then this can be taken as maybe say 1000. Then I click on OK. Yeah, for that matter, I think that is now sizable enough. So I can just drag it in place and have it there. So for that matter, I think I can now delete this one by selecting on it. Then yeah, I think that is now okay. So because it's a hotel setting, I'll decide and arrange them well. So I can position this here, or rather somewhere there. Then I can make more copies for that. So for you to make more of the copies, you'll just click on the chair itself, then right click, go to the move part, then come down and then come to drag a copy. After doing that, you can select that again, and then it will definitely have another copy for it. So I need 3 of them. So I'll still click on that, drag a copy, select that, then I can position it somewhere there. So that is good. So we'll also view it on 3D, check how it looks. Mhm. Yeah, so I believe they are sizable enough. Then now I'll do some little arrangement to them just to conform to the what guys call office standards. So for this matter, I'll rotate the chair. I'll rotate the chair by going to the move, click on it, then I can come here and say rotate. So I'll click on one part of that, then drag, and then let it take that direction. Of course, they need to face each other from an angular side. Then I also rotate this other chair. Rotate this one, and then sorry for that. Yes. So I'll just move it close to that, just off the window a bit. I believe that is okay. So the next thing that I'll do here is find a suitable table to match those nice furnitures. Sorry, the chairs. Look for a table. So still download it. So I can have one table that will suit that. So I can choose this one. Then I'll just click OK. Then I will rightfully position it there. So as you can see, the size is a bit small, so we can do something to it first, but we'll first rotate it. Sorry, we'll rotate it, then to 90 degrees. Then we can now begin the process of changing the size. So I can have that as twice, which I can use, let us say 2500. Then the height, let us say 1500. I think that will be okay. So we can just position it well. Sorry. Mhm. Always try and use the move tool, because as you can see, just copying it and putting in the right position might as well change the size of the furniture. So it's always advisable that you move it and drag it to ensure that you have the right positions. So the next, I can copy this. Then I need like three of such arrangement. Sorry, need to only select the furniture. So I can do that by first just selecting the individual ones. Press the shift button to select all of them. Then you can now come and drag a copy of that arrangement. Then let us position it, let me say somewhere there. Yes. Then I'll still just, in order to achieve maximize the space, you can still have another space for that. me drag that again. Just I think that is okay. So so we can now check on the 3D part, see how our, our design is coming along. So I believe you can see that the arrangement is quite in order, and the room is taking shape. So the rest we can do is now come to on some plumbing materials. Some plumbing material, we can click on some wanted some yes, some mechanical and some plumbing fixtures. We'll want to put a wash and basin. Sorry. So we'll want to put a wash and basin there. So we can change the size. Let us have it as 1500. Then this one should be 1400, and the height should rise to about 300. Okay. So we will just put it, I'd rather say put them strategically, where once somebody enters, is able to wash their hands, position there, just for the sake of accessibility and also social distancing. I think that will work. Now we'll begin the work of making them rotate. We'll first select on them. Rotate to 180 degrees. Sorry. And just move it back. That will be okay. So I believe you can now see how the, the plumbing elements and the furniture are placed. You can view that also on 3D, and you can see that they are well positioned, especially for aesthetic value of the design. So I think for now we can stop at that. And in our next class, we'll continue with the rest of the rooms and any other special equipment that will come our way. I will also wish to ask you to add to the comment section any form of special equipment, furniture, or any aesthetic valuable item that we have left out. Please don't feel shy to add into the comment section, because we also use that for learning purposes. For now, I will wish to ask you to look out for our next YouTube video when we'll be proceeding with that. And also please remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the sake of growth and other valuable items. For now, thank you and have a good day.